Hello everyone and welcome to another video of how to create a YouTube channel. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. After going on YouTube, you're gonna click the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. If you don't see it, you're gonna see the sign in button. Click it. After going into the Gmail sign in page, you will enter your Gmail account information, your email and your password. If you don't have a Gmail account, watch the previous video that we did. Click done. And you will be redirected straight to your YouTube homepage. Then you can click the profile icon on the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking that will give you a drop down menu. You can click my channel, and after clicking my channel, a pop-up will show up where you create your very own YouTube channel. Just enter the name of your channel and click create channel. This is your very own YouTube channel page. Click customize channel. After clicking that, this is the page that you will be customizing your channel. You can create a cover page, add profile pictures and discussion tab. You will not see any discussion tab. Click the settings icon right here and tick these and click save. This will be a discussion tab where you'll be discussing with your subscribers. Click the home tab. As you can see over here, you can view as yourself and view as newcomers. Here is the upload section. Add a section, select anything that you want. I choose popular uploads and add a row, horizontal or vertical. Click done and you will see popular uploads in horizontal row. And this is just part 1 of how to create a YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you part 2 next week. And remember, me just answer that. Here's the last video that I did. And remember to like, subscribe and share. And comment what you want to know.